Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Morning. Fantastic. How are you getting on? Fantastic. 5 core values in Mitra Industri Vocational High School: honest, responsible, discipline, time work, care. Do you have spirit of study in your heart? Yes. History Mitra Industri Vocational High School in your heart? Yes. Where is it? Over here. I am fantastic. Who is fantastic? I am fantastic. You are fantastic. We are fantastic. Mitra Industri Vocational High School so fantastic. Yes. We can. Vision and mission of Mitra Industri Vocational High School. Vision: Mitra Industri Vocational High School as an education center and development which promotes students based on industrial need and entrepreneur souls. Mission: 1. Create student positive character and behavior. 2. Ultiate the student with knowledge and skills based on industrial needs. 3. Build strong entrepreneur souls. Thank you.